Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. An appeal to all teachers. Being a teacher, I always feel a teacher can do wonders. So I would like to recall three quotations about teachers. Motivate a teacher, transform the society. When you motivate a teacher, he can transform children who will be the future citizens of the country. And when you motivate a teacher, there will be a transformation in the society or community. Teacher, the right tool of change of human society. And as a teacher, he can inspire, he can motivate students. As a result of that, we can find a good change in the human society. Teacher, the right agent of transformation. Teacher can bring change in the community. Fine. So since teacher is so important, on behalf of Lions Club District 320, Lions Club, on behalf of Lions Club District 316D, with the initiation of our past international director, Line Engineer Chugutpadu Varaprasad, under the leadership of our dynamic, vibrant governor, Line Dr. Puttagunta Venkat Satish Kumar, and service-oriented first vice district governor, Line Devinen Joni Kumari, we are going to organize a workshop for teachers, namely Adhyapak Prashikshan, on 22nd November 2020. And this is a one-day workshop, and it begins at 9 a.m. and ends by 6. Once the program is completed, there will be a small test in online only, and once teachers complete the test, they will get certificates. They will get e-certificates. So, and we are inviting eminent professors, prominent personality development trainers from different parts of the country to train the teachers or to impart skills to the teachers. So, there are different topics in this program or one-day training session. The topics are role of a teacher in molding the personality of a child, role of a teacher in molding the personality of a student. That will be taken by, that class will be taken by Professor V. Vishwanathan Garu, retired professor from Usmania University. And another topic is not what to think, but how to think. Not what to think, how to think. This is a novel idea, and this topic will be taken up by Dr. Nagaraj Rao, a well-known personality development trainer of an international reputation, and who used to go to different countries to train the youth. And so he has kindly consented to be the faculty member in our program, and where he will address the teachers, and his topic is not what to think, how to think. And so Professor Varghese Vaijan from Calicut University he has been teaching to the teachers about a topic, namely life skills and values for adolescents, which is very important. How to impart moral values and also how to make the student to learn ethics, and what are the problems students are facing during adolescent age. So that will be taught to teachers by Professor Varghese Vaidyan. And we are happy to announce that Dr. Sabari Sridhar, Head of the Department of Psychiatry, Chettinad Hospital and Research Institution, Medical Institution, that is Chennai. So he will talk about emotional quotient. See, what is the role of emotional quotient in building up personality of a child? What is the significance of emotional quotient? All those things will be taught to us by Dr. Sabari Sridhar, Head of the Department of Psychiatry, and is a professor there, Chettinad Hospital and Research Institution, Chennai. Finally, I can speak on a topic, namely dream with ambition and lead with conviction. So this is the one-day tight schedule, and so this is a very good opportunity for the teachers to learn techniques, to learn skills, and from eminent professors. And once they acquire these skills, that will be useful to the students. They can use them in the classroom. So that's why, my dear teacher friends, utilize this opportunity. There is no registration fee. Simply send your registration on or before 19th, and this is through Zoom platform. We will provide you Zoom ID and password once you complete the registration process. And so you can sit at your home and you can learn. You need not go anywhere. And this program is worthy one, and it is really a wonderful opportunity for you to learn sitting at your home, and that too from professors and personality development trainers of national reputation. So that's why I appeal once again to my teaching fraternity, utilize this wonderful opportunity and learn from them. I hope that we can see you on 22nd November in the learning process. And thank you to one and all. Shubham Bhuyat.